Class 10th, let us solve the next important question of similar triangle today. Question number 13. D and E are the points on the side CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC, right angle at C. Prove that the AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. The figure is not given in the question. We have to draw the figure. Let us solve the question. So first of all, let us draw the triangle. It's given ACB, right angle at C, and the points are given D and the point is given E. Okay, student? So for this we have to join this one and this one. So to prove AE square plus BD square, AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Okay, student? So that's why we joined these points. Now listen what I explained you earlier. In geometry, you have to make the strategy. Strategy means what squares are there, so we need the Pythagoras. For AE means we need the ACE. So we'll start with triangle ACE. So let us start with ACE. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? AE square is equal to AC square plus CE square in a right angle triangle ACE. Because we need this square, so we are using this Pythagoras. Now we need the BD square. So BD falls in triangle DCB. So we will write in triangle DCB. In triangle DCB, how can we use the BD? BD square is equal to DC square plus DC square plus BC square. Okay, student? Listen, BD square is equal to DC square plus BC square using the Pythagoras. So equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So you will subtract this one or add. You have to decide. C in the proof. To prove we want the addition, so we should add. Addition. So AE square plus BD square. So now AE square BD square means now we got the LHS. At least we got the LHS. Now let us see this one. What would happen? AC square plus DC square, CE square plus BC square. All four these quantities we put in the RHS. This plus this. Okay. Now this is same AE square plus BD square. But what we will operate here according to our need, we required the AB. So AB falls in triangle ACB. If we got the AC square and CB square, if we combine the AC square and CB square, so by Pythagoras we can obtain AB square. So check, is it there AC and BC? So yes, this is AC square, this is BC square. So we can combine this one and write here AC square plus BC square, CE, DC square plus CE square. So according to our need, first we make the pair of AC square plus BC square, rest of we have to write in the bracket. Now see, what is AC square and BC square in Pythagoras? It is AB square. So in place of this AC square BC square, I written this AB square. Okay, student? See. Now what about DC and CE? DC and CE. DC and CE not triangle, but we need the DE, means we have to join this one. DE. We construct the DE. Now see in the triangle DEC, DC square EC square is equal to DE square. So in place of this one, we will write DE square using the Pythagoras. See it properly. Okay, student. So We make the pair according to our need because we need the AB square D square. So these two red portion C combine and gave the AB square by Pythagoras, and rest of DC and C squares we put in the bracket. So they also give us D square by joining this one in a small triangle DCE. So finally we got the AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus D square, hence proved.